What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Down to Earth Outdoors, doing a little fishing. My dad's pond. It catches a lot of fish out here, guys. Largemouth, bluegill, all kinds of good stuff. I'm gonna throw my bobber in the water and y'all can see what we catch. You guys haven't seen me catch fish yet. What, baby? I'm gonna have to step behind the camera, guys, but I'm gonna rebait my hook, but I'm gonna leave the video recording playing. And this is a pretty old pond, guys, so it doesn't get fished a lot. What, baby? Dad's making a YouTube video. Alright, guys. Going back in the water. Check, see if this thing's still recording, y'all. Oh yeah, we're good. Kid, my wife's with me, so that's what you guys hear in the background. You guys wanted bobber and a weight and a hook right now. A little small crappie hook. The catfish hook they wasn't catching on there, just kept blowing off. So that one already took the bait. I'll make another video, guys, here in a second. I get a fish on the line, I'll throw that on. Don't want to bore you guys, me having to change my hook all the time, so I'll put that in the next video. Welcome back to Down to Earth Outdoors, y'all. Just doing a little bass fishing. I got an Abu Garcia bait caster, that's what I'm using. And I'm using the Lunker Hunt Frog, guys. But drop a comment if you've ever seen something like this. Caught this bass just like this. He had this bird almost all the way in his mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out for you guys. He's wanting to puke it back up anyways, but I wanted to share this, guys. It's a good size largemouth. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Down to Earth Outdoors. Doing a little fishing. Got my wife with me today. She may be on or off camera, I don't know. But let me show you guys. That's what we're catching in here. I'm gonna put her in the net right now, but just so we won't catch her back again. So put her back in my live net. Get back to fishing. I'll leave her rolling for a little bit, let you guys see actually getting pretty good bites right now. This is what we've been catching. So, got a couple bass in there, a couple catfish. That ain't from this pond though. That was just from somewhere else. Set her back in there though. All still living. We're gonna throw the smaller ones out, but we're just putting them in there so we don't re-catch them. Let me get my pole back in the water. Get another one? I gotta get another worm, so step back here and get another worm real quick, guys. Need another worm?
Yeah. This one's a pregnant one. I'm throwing back.
Okay. Watch this, guys. They'll probably quit biting since I started the video again. You're not poopy. You're just wanting to get out of your chair. Another one or no? I'm gonna throw the fast lure out here in a little bit, guys. I'll get back with you if I catch a big fish, but we're on to little small bluegills and about mid-size largemouth bass right now. I'm trying to get a big largemouth bass, so stay tuned, guys. Put it in the next one. Subscribe to Down to Earth Outdoors. Welcome back to Down to Earth Outdoors, y'all. Just caught a good sized largemouth bass. I'm gonna show you something here in a minute, but first thing I want to show you is this Abu Garcia reel is what I caught her on. It's just called the Black Max. It was at Walmart for like 80 bucks, rod and reel. But more importantly, caught it on the Lunker Hunt, just a little popping frog. Moves like a real life frog. And check this out, guys. Have you ever seen a largemouth bass with a bird in its mouth? I haven't. Please comment if you've seen something like this before. Drop a comment, let me know what you've seen in a largemouth bass mouth before. Please drop a comment, guys. This is Down to Earth Outdoors, and we're real and we're down to earth. Please subscribe. Welcome back to Down to Earth Outdoors, y'all. Doing a little night fishing in my daddy's pond. Thank you, Dad, for letting me use your pond. I asked permission, so don't get mad at me. We're out here, got my old lady and my kid. They're sitting in the car right now, just hanging out. They don't mind me, you know, sitting out here listening to the bullfrogs. You guys can hear them in the background. I am gonna wear my headlamp, guys. Getting ready to show you guys. I'm gonna throw some bass. I got this Lunker Hunt frog. Let me show you all what I'm talking about. Same one in my previous video, Lunker Hunt frog. I'm gonna throw this out. This is a small pond, a personal pond that nobody fishes in, guys. Sure, there's gonna be people fishing in after this video, but just want to show y'all they will be biting. So let's get into it, y'all. Just want to show y'all this is me. It's 9:30 at night. It's May 15th. and we're gonna catch some fish. Let's get into it. We've already caught a whole basket. I'll show you that video here in a minute when we pull them out, but let's get into it, y'all. Let me turn it on the bright so y'all can see me. Using an Abu Garcia bait caster reel. It's called the Black Max, I believe. They had like the Silver Max and the, I think, Gold Max at Walmart at one time or the other. Alright, y'all. Well, they're not biting right now, so check out the next video, y'all. Thought I'd get a bite. I just want to give you all a little action tonight. Let me show you what I caught, though. I'll put that in the next video. Sorry, the bullfrog's being loud right now. Check it out, y'all. Subscribe to Down to Earth Outdoors.